Hello viewers, my name is Paul. Now today I'll be demonstrating in a very few steps and simple steps how to block unwanted Wi-Fi devices or remove Wi-Fi devices that are connected to your network. Now you're going to require a very simple software called Wireless Netwatcher. Now the purpose of this software, as you're going to see, is it can be able to show you all the devices that are connected to your network, that is including Wi-Fi devices. Now why do you need this? Because we are going to use your router. Now this method, if it is going to work for you, then your network must have at least a router somewhere, because we are going to use the router to block the devices that is using the media access control address or the MAC address. Now this software can also give you more details other than the MAC address. That is the name of the adapter, that is the network adapter for that particular device connected to your network. Like now in my case here, I have a Samsung smartphone that is connected to my Wi-Fi, and I would want to disconnect this and block it. Now you can be able to see that this one is an adapter from Samsung Electronics, and basically you'll have an idea of which devices to disconnect. So after you're through with this, you've identified the device that you want to disconnect, then you might want to close this. Then you're going to require a browser. For example, I can use Google Chrome. Then you can use any other, Mozilla, any other. What you're going to do is you type the default gateway, that is the IP address of your router here. In my case, my router is 192.168.0.1, and then you press enter. Now someone might ask, how am I supposed to get this IP address of my router, or where do I get it? Now this software called Netwatcher, the first device here that is listed in its interface is your router, and you can be able to get the IP address of your router here. You can see it is still 192.168.0.1. Then I'll go back to the browser, and I'm supposed to put my login credentials, that is the username and the password, and both of them by default are supposed to be admin. That is, for the username and the password you type admin, then you log in. Then you might want to click on wireless, and then you click on wireless statistics. Now this will show you all the devices that are connected to your network. You can see currently I have two devices that is under wireless statistics, and it keeps on refreshing. Now you're going to copy the MAC address of that device that you'd want to disconnect, and previously I had said I was to disconnect this smartphone here. You can see the MAC address is ending with 62, and then you what you're going to do is you copy the MAC address, you simply highlight and then press Ctrl+C. Then you click on wireless MAC filtering. Make sure that MAC filtering is enabled here. So if it is disabled, then you make sure that it is enabled, and then you make sure that under filtering rules, the option selected is deny the stations, and then you click add new. Deny the station specified by any enabled entries, then you click add new, then you paste the MAC address of that particular device, and you simply click save. But under status you should make sure that it is enabled and not disabled, then you click save. Now when you go back to our starting point, that is wireless statistics, you will see that now I have only one device connected to my network, and for sure now that particular device that we have listed under this entry, then it is not able to access your Wi-Fi. It has been disconnected, and that is it, as simple as that. So you're going to do that for the other devices. Basically that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and invite your friends to watch the same. Adios.